Let's get started, but first I have some tips. Number one, always wear rain boots, just like these, for safety. Number two, if you've ever used a pressure washer, you know that when you first start it, there's gonna be some kickback. So what you wanna do is always start in the middle of the stencil so you don't pressure wash outside of your pattern. Number three is to take notice of these outside windows. These windows are not to be pressure washed. They are just there to help line up your pattern. So you'll see as we get started that she's not going to pressure wash in these windows. We're just going to stick in this middle area for the pattern. And she's going to begin by stepping on the stencil so it does not move, but let's get started. Perfect. Okay, now that we have our first pattern pressure wash, this is where we're going to use our windows to line it up now. So I can take this away and show you what we did. But what we're gonna do is move it down this way to do our next pattern, and that's where these windows are gonna help us line up to our previous pattern. So you'll have to wiggle it a little bit and simply line it up like that. And then Robin's gonna step back on again and pressure wash the inside pattern. Our second pattern has now been pressure washed, and we're gonna move it again to continue the pattern. Now again, we're going to use these windows right here to line them up with our previous pattern to continue the design. And again, you just need to wiggle it in space. All right, let's complete this pattern here, again using our windows, line it up, and now you can line it up to this one up here as well. So we're going to line up here and here. Awesome. So this is how you line up the cobblestone pattern.